Hello, valued Trend Auto World viewers. Today, we're back with an exciting new presentation. We're diving into the world of the 10 most powerful pickup trucks on the planet. In this showcase, we'll explore their engine power, performance, off-road capabilities, and advanced technologies in a way that will leave you amazed. And hey, if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more thrilling content. Are you ready? Let's get started. Ram 1500 TRX 6.2-liter V8. The Ram 1500 TRX is one of the most powerful off-road trucks on the market, featuring a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine that produces a massive 702 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. This beast can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, making it the fastest factory-built pickup truck. It runs on gasoline and has a fuel consumption of around 10 m/Berg in the city and 14 Berg on the highway. With a payload capacity of approximately 1,310 pounds and a towing capacity of up to 8,100 pounds, the TRX is not just about speed but also serious work capability. Its advanced suspension system and four-wheel drive four-belt setup make it a true off-road warrior. Ford F-150 Raptor R 5.2-liter V8. The Ford F-150 Raptor R is built for high-performance off-roading, equipped with a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that delivers 700 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. It can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.3 seconds, offering blistering speed for a truck of its size. This high-performance pickup runs on gasoline with a fuel economy of approximately 10 m/Pg in the city and 15 m/G on the highway. It has a payload capacity of about 1,400 pounds and can tow up to 8,700 pounds, making it a strong workhorse. The Fox Live valve suspension, advanced four-butted system, and rugged tires ensure it dominates rough terrains effortlessly. Conclusion. Both trucks offer extreme performance, but the Ram 1500 TRX has a slight edge in power, while the Ford Raptor R provides slightly better towing capacity and a refined off-road experience. If you want raw muscle and aggressive styling, the TRX is the choice. But if you prefer precision engineering and off-road mastery, the Raptor R is the ultimate pick. Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2 V8 versus Toyota Tundra TRD Pro 3.5-liter V6. A quick comparison. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2 is an off-road-focused, full-size pickup truck powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine that produces 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. It comes with a 10-speed automatic transmission and uses gasoline as its fuel type. The Silverado ZR2 delivers 14 to 17 mpg, miles per gallon combined, making it a powerful but fuel-hungry truck. Its off-road capabilities are enhanced by Multimatic DSSV dampers, front and rear locking differentials, and skid plates for protection. The cargo bed offers a capacity of around 62.9 cubic feet, making it ideal for heavy-duty hauling and adventure trips. On the other hand, the Toyota Tundra TRD Pro features a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine, generating 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. It is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and runs on gasoline-electric hybrid power, improving fuel efficiency. The Tundra TRD Pro offers an estimated 18 to 22 mpg combined, making it more fuel efficient than the Silverado. It boasts Fox shocks, a reinforced suspension system, and an aluminum skid plate for excellent off-road capability. The truck bed provides a cargo capacity of about 55.5 cubic feet, slightly smaller than the Silverado. Which one is better? If you prioritize raw V8 power and rugged off-road durability, the Silverado ZR2 is a solid choice. However, if you want more torque, better fuel efficiency, and modern hybrid technology, the Toyota Tundra TRD Pro is the way to go. Both trucks are excellent off-roaders, but your choice depends on whether you prefer traditional V8 performance or hybrid innovation. GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X 6.2D V8 versus Nissan Titan XD 5.6-liter V8, a quick comparison. GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X 6.2 V8. The GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X is a high-performance off-road pickup truck built for adventure. Engine, 6.2-liter V8, horsepower, 420 horsepower, torque, 460 pound-feet. Transmission, 10-speed automatic. Fuel type, gasoline. Fuel consumption, around 14 to 16 100 kilometers combined. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, acceleration, approximately 6.5 seconds. Cargo capacity varies, with a short bed offering around 1,780 liters. The AT4X is equipped with advanced suspension, underbody skid plates, and locking differentials, making it a top choice for off-road enthusiasts. Nissan Titan XD 5.6-liter V8. The Nissan Titan XD is a powerful and capable truck designed for both work and adventure. Engine, 5.6-liter V8, horsepower, 400 horsepower, torque, 413 pound-feet. Transmission, 9-speed automatic. Fuel type, gasoline. Fuel consumption, around 15 to 17 to 100 kg combined. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration, approximately 7.0 seconds. Cargo capacity around 2,000 liters, depending on bed configuration. The Titan XD is known for its rugged build and towing capabilities, making it a great choice for heavy-duty tasks. Both trucks offer strong V8 engines, but the GMC Sierra AT4X is more off-road focused, while the Nissan Titan XD is better suited for towing and payload capacity. The Ram 2500 Power Wagon is a heavy-duty off-road truck built for power and durability. It comes with a 6.4-liter Hemi V8 engine, producing 410 horsepower and 429 pound-feet of torque. The truck features an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth power delivery. In terms of fuel, the Power Wagon runs on gasoline with an estimated fuel consumption of around 15 miles per gallon, MPG combined. The truck's dimensions include a length of approximately 238 inches, 6,045 millimeters, and a width of 79.5 inches, 2,019 millimeters. It has a ground clearance of 14.2 inches, 360 millimeters, making it excellent for off-road adventures. The curb weight is about 7,300 pounds, 3,311 kilograms, giving it a solid and stable ride. While it's a heavy-duty truck, the Power Wagon does not come with a traditional trunk. Instead, it has a cargo bed with a capacity of around 1,560 pounds, 707 kilograms for carrying heavy loads. This truck is designed for off-road enthusiasts, offering exceptional performance in tough terrains. The Ford F-250 Super Duty 6.7L V8, power and performance. This heavy-duty truck is built for extreme performance. Under the hood, it features a 6.7-liter Powerstroke V8 turbo diesel engine, delivering 500 horsepower and a massive 1,1200 pound-feet of torque. It runs on diesel fuel and has an average fuel consumption of around 16 to 20 miles per gallon, MPG, on highways. The F-250 is a beast in size. It has a ground clearance of 8.5 to 10 inches, depending on the trim. The truck's width is 80 inches, making it stable and powerful on all terrains. With a weight ranging from 6,000 to 8,000 pounds, it's designed for tough jobs. Inside, it offers seating for up to 6 passengers, providing both comfort and durability. The Ford F-250 Super Duty is the ultimate workhorse, powerful, reliable, and ready for any challenge. 2025 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 3.6L V6 Quick Overview. The 2025 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 is a high-performance off-road pickup truck designed for extreme terrains. Engine and power. It features a 3.6-liter V6 engine, producing 308 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque. Transmission. Equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth performance. Fuel type and consumption. Runs on gasoline with a fuel consumption of around 14.7 100 kilometers, 16 mpg in the city, and 13.1 100 kilometers, 18 mpg on the highway. Weight and dimensions. The truck weighs approximately 4,900 pounds, 2,223 kilograms, has a length of 213 inches, 5,410 millimeters, and a ground clearance of 10.7 inches, 272 millimeters. Tire functions. Comes with 33-inch off-road tires, providing superior traction on rough surfaces. Cargo capacity. The bed size offers ample cargo space, suitable for both adventure and work needs. With its rugged design and powerful engine, the Colorado ZR2 is built for off-road dominance.